Today we are working on lesson 1.5, model and count to 5. So let's start with this orange right here, and we're going to count how many oranges we have on this first page. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you started here but then went down, that's okay too. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Doesn't matter which order you go in, there's always 5. So now we have to fill in with our counters we're going to draw 5. So, can I start over here? No way, Jose, you got to start on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We filled up our whole 5 frame. Let's go to the next page. For the next question, we have number 1 up here on this page. It says, place or draw a counter on each object in the set as you count. So what I'm going to do is use my pen, and as I count, I'm going to draw a little dot on it. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 lemons, which matches the number on the line. So let's trace our 5 together and say our rhyme. Short neck, belly fat. And then you hop back up here. Mr. 5 wears a hat. Short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. And then what we're going to do is going to count the lemons and write that many counters in our 5 frame. So what we're going to do is we're going to pretend we're moving our counters from here right down there. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see that there is a counter for every lemon on our page. Now we're going to count our limes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. And then we have to count how many and fill up that 5 frame. We know if there's 5, it's going to fill up our whole 5 frame. That's a shortcut. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Because the name is a 5 frame. So we know it's going to have 5 counters in it. Next page. We were just on page 38. Uh-oh. There we go. My video froze there for a second. I hope it didn't freeze for you. Number 38. Now we're on page 39. So we're going to draw counters to show the number 5. So for number 3 here, we're going to draw counters to show the number 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it wants us to draw a 5 or write a 5 on the line here. Short neck, belly fat, Mr. 5 wears a hat. In the next question, draw counters to show 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to have to write a 4 here. Down and over, then down once more. That's the way to make a 4. For this next one, draw counters to show 5 again. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I stop there? It wants us to show 5 counters. If I stopped there, I would only have 1, 2, 3, 4. We need to show 5. One more. Short neck, belly fat. Mr. 5 wears a hat. Now for this last one, it says draw counters to show 3. And then write the number. So 3, we haven't done that one yet on this page. We only need the 1, 2, and 3. And then with our rhyme, around the tree, that's the way to make a 3. And then flip to the next page, number 7, and the pink heart with the limes, the oranges, and the lemons. Give you a second to get on that page. It says Carl needs 5 pieces of each kind of fruit. Circle to show all the sets Carl uses. Circle to show all the sets that Carl could use if Carl needs 5 pieces of fruit. So he's only going to use them if there's 5. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. He needed 5 pieces of fruit, and there's 5 limes, so we can circle 5. Now let's count the oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's no more oranges, so he does not use those because he only uses them if they're in a group of 5. Let's count the lemons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 5 lemons, so we can circle the lemons. Down here for number 8, draw to show what you know about the number 5. Then tell somebody about your drawing. I'm going to draw five smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you can draw 5 of whatever you'd like. When you're done with that, you're going to do this page on your own at home with somebody, a practice homework page, and then send me the lesson check on page 42. Up here, you're just going to trace the number and write how many counters you would need to place in that 5 frame to show the number 5. Here you're going to count and tell how many on the line. So how many cars are there? Write the number on the line. How many fish are there? Write the number on the line. Easy peasy.